So first of all, I'm going to log in crazydomain.com, that is hosting panel of saloonproductdirect.com. So I click on crazydomains.com, then after I click on my account, then from drop down I select hosting manager, and I'm going to enter username and password and click on login. Then after I click on file manager, and I select all the files, and I'm going to compress them. It will take couple of minutes. In meanwhile, I am going to PHP my admin. I have to click here, then after I go to database, and I click on export. So format is SQL, that is fine. I click on go. It is start downloading. Now let's see about the file manager. Okay, so file is compressed now. So I close it, and I'm going to download the backup file of server. So here is download button. Okay, so file is downloading, database is downloading. Both are in queue. So I'm also going to log in new server. So here I have FTP details. Let me try to connect with cPanel. Give me a second. Click on proceed anyway. Then after enter username and password. Then after click on files. Then after file manager. Then after click on upload. Let me see where my file is downloaded. It's under the downloads folder, file backup.zip. So I click on choose file, and then after downloads, and I'm going to select the file backup, and it is start uploading. While it's uploading, I'm going to create a database. So I come back to control panel. Let me find the way to create the database. And then after I click on MySQL databases, and I have to create a new database. So I'm going to name it this and create database. So this is the name of database that I'm going to copy. Now I'm going back and I click on database again, then after PHP my admin. And here you can see the database that I created. So I click on that. Right now it's empty. And now I have to click on import. I'm going to select the SQL file that I was downloaded uh, from the from the another domain. It was under the downloads folder, so I select it, and file name was saloon, this one, and I click on go. It's uploading the file, and then after it will create all the tables. So file is uploading, 44% is uploaded, and database is okay, so database is created. Now after uploading the file, I have to extract it, and then after I have to change WP config file. File is now uploaded. So I'm going to file manager again and going to refresh it. Click on the file backup.zip and extract it. So it create all the file on server. Now when you try to open it, it will give you error. So it's showing error establishing a data connection. Now you have to go for wp-config.php. Click on edit. Here you have to set database name, username, password, and host. So host you can see from here, it's localhost, and database name is this. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here in the database name section. Username and password is same as your control panel username and password. Click on save changes. Then refresh the page. So you can see site starts loading. Now when you click on any of the URL, you will see now it's redirecting to saloonproductdirect.com.au. So to fix that, first of all, you have to go for the admin section of the website, that is /wp admin. Username is admin, password is same as your old website. Then after go to setting and general. Here instead of this domain name, put your new domain detail. And click on save changes. Okay, now you have to log in back. I did a mistake. Before uploading a database, you have to make one change. So I am going to delete the tables of database. I check all and drop it. Now I am going to open the SQL file in any editor and going to replace the URL. So my file was under download folder. So I click on downloads. Then after I'm going to open the SQL file in editor. You can also use Notepad, WordPad or any other editor, but that must be a text editor. Let me check the name of file that I was downloaded. File name is Salon Pro. So I'm going to open it. And I'm going to find a Saloon Pro URL and going to replace it with collect ID. So I'm going to find this one and going to replace it with the new domain name. So it's replaced.